What's going on, YouTube? It's been a while since I made another video. This is the scoop. After I had this car all together, ready to go, I lose a rod bearing, number 6 cylinder. Ain't that a bitch? Anywho, I had to take the engine out. As you can see, I redid everything, taped up the harness, put new brake lines in, front brake lines, the back ones are already changed. I touched everything up, painted everything real nice, everything's good to go. The car's still, well, somewhat together, but anyway. I took everything apart. I took the tranny out, redid the tranny. I got the filter there with the gasket, gotta do that, might as well. New oil pan gasket, new oil pan. Exhaust, I got the headers coming. That big, bulky, heavy cat, gotta go. I got the bent pipe there, I'm waiting on the free flow, MagnaFlow cat. What else I did? I took the engine out, brought it to the machine shop. They're doing it up. I told them to do it up. I want it brand new. I don't want to do this again. So they're hooking me up with, I told them don't even cut the crank. Just order a new crank. New bearings, new pistons, new seals. I think the rods are the only thing they're gonna clean up and use. The heads, they're gonna rebuild the heads. I stayed with the 6. I wanna get the 8, but right now I just can't afford that. As you know, as well as I do, you have to buy LS1, and LS1 is quite costly. Plus I would have to have that machined and done, so I'm gonna wait till later to do that. I'll just roll with a 6 for now. I cleaned the fans. I got all new sensors in this car because I had problems with it, so I changed every single sensor in this car. Map sensor, rear map sensor, throttle positioning sensor, crank sensor, oil sending unit sensor, temperature sensor. I changed everything. I got a new alternator because my alternator was giving out. I got one of those. New wires. I got new injectors, new coils, new Plymouth gaskets, water pump gasket, new water pump. I redid the timing chain cover. Everything's painted up nice. Throttle body's painted up nice. All the wheels and accessories and the tensioner and the inlets for the hoses are brand new. New hoses. I redid all the connections for the battery and the grounds. Air compressor, I painted it up, cleaned it up. What else I did? Yeah, new starter over there. Every part of this car, I would say 85% of this engine is brand new. Not counting the wiring harness and the motor itself. Hopefully it'll be brand new. I picked up a new, well, it's not new, it's used, because these things cost a lot. The condenser for the AC. I got the new hose for the AC coming. This one's, you see I had bad luck trying to take it off. So I got that coming. Cleaned up the fan, cleaned up the air box. Got a brand new radiator. Because the guy told me whenever you rebuild the engine, the radiator holds a lot of metal and deposits. Get rid of it and change it with a fresh one. So that's what I did. I took advice. Right now it's in Northeast Motors, getting rebuilt. My man Taylor's taking care of it. Cool people. If you guys ever want to rebuild a motor on the East Coast, they do good work. Yeah, I mean, new torque converter, redid the flywheel. I mean, there's not much for me to do right now. I'm at the point where I'm done. I'm just waiting for the motor and the cat and the headers. I got the pace setter headers with the downpipe, and then I'm gonna connect the Flowmaster, the MagnaFlow. I'm sorry, the MagnaFlow high flow cat. So I won't get no check engine lights. I still got all my stuff set up in the back. My MagnaFlow's in the back, so everything will match. Yeah, I mean, I painted the cradle. I put new brake lines. I don't know if you can see it right here, new brake lines. The other ones were really bad, I didn't trust them. So I put these in the way they're supposed to go. The guy who owned it before just had one, a straight brake line coming up. This guy was a Mickey Mouse. I changed my motor mounts too. If you guys ever change out your motors, make sure you change your motor mounts, because when them things go, you know as well as I do, these things are a pain in the butt to get to with that motor in the way and everything. So I changed that out. Yeah, I got this line here done. I painted the AC tank. All the lines are all done up. Yeah, I mean, if you look under, I retouched everything underneath, so everything is painted nice, like it should be. No undercoatings painted. Everything, I did flat black frame with the red underneath. I think that came out pretty good. Yeah, she's all ready to go. I can't wait to get this back together and get it started, because now, you know, guys know on Ram trucks, the cams and the lifter tend to go out on it, and then you get that clicking noise of death. So now I gotta remove the heads on that, remove the cam and the lifters, and but I'll do a video on that. Take that whole, basically the engine apart, just to change that cam, put it back in timing, and put it back together. So I'll throw a video on that. But anyway, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know the thing. You know the deal. Catch you on the next one.